Our center is in Turkey. From Turkey, we provide real-life support to the United States. Daily pressure can build up in the USA without warning. Responsibilities can feel heavier when routines are unclear. Kadim Rehberlik helps you create structure and reduce daily pressure. When everything comes at once, life can feel out of control. Kadim Rehberlik helps you regain order step by step. Lack of planning can increase daily stress. Kadim Rehberlik helps you plan your day with clear priorities. Clear routines help you feel more stable. Kadim Rehberlik helps you build reliable habits that support progress. In New York, intense schedules require resilience. In Los Angeles, structure supports balance and clarity. In Chicago, steady planning supports steady results. In Miami, fast life requires strong focus. In Houston, responsibility needs organization. Better planning helps you stay consistent. Clear direction supports confidence. This is simple and sincere support within real life. Kadim Rehberlik is with you in the USA. Just one call away.